Let me guess, you wake up feeling like your body's made of bricks. You hit snooze once, twice, 5 times, until the day's already ahead of you. You're tired before you've even started. And the worst part? You still don't know why. You think you're getting sleep, but you're still exhausted, still foggy, still dragging yourself through life, at school, at work, everywhere. So let me tell you something most people ignore for their whole life. Sleep isn't just sleep. It's the foundation. It's the first battle of every single day. And when you lose that one, everything else crumbles. You don't just need more hours, you need control and stability. Because you're not just tired, you're undisciplined with your recovery. Here's the truth. You've trained your body to be tired. Late nights, bright screens, endless scrolling. You've taught your brain that chaos is normal, that midnight dopamine hits are more important than tomorrow's energy. And every time you say, I'll fix it tomorrow, you don't fix anything. You just fall deeper into the cycle. But now we reset. Here's how. Step 1. Wake up at the same time, every day. Not just weekdays, not just when it's convenient, every day. Consistently waking up at the same time is more important than getting 1 or 2 extra hours of sleep. Consistency is what rewires your brain. You'll feel awful the first few days. Good. That's your body unlearning the damage. Keep going. Step 2, treat your bed like a temple. No phones, no Netflix, no scrolling. You've polluted your sleep space, and now your brain doesn't know what to do when you lie down. Your bed is for rest and rest only, not for distraction. Step 3, shut it down an hour before sleep. Screens off, all of them. Because the blue light, it's not something you can overlook. It's literally killing your melatonin. It's tricking your body into thinking it's still daytime. And this confuses your biological clock. No wonder your mind races at night. Trust me, I know it's hard, almost impossible nowadays, but you still owe it to your body. Instead, read, stretch, go take a shower, let your mind settle, let your body listen and relax. Because when you master sleep, you master yourself. Energy returns, focus sharpens, discipline strengthens. You stop crawling through life and start running. Fix your sleep, and everything else becomes possible. So if you're ready to start today and become the true master of your body, subscribe and comment with I'm focused. This will be the public declaration of your newfound resolve. If you comment this way, I will feature your comment in my next video. This is to help all the future viewers in believing in themselves by knowing that real people like you and me are locking in and starting our journey together. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.